Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unpair Bluetooth device on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Many wireless accessories and peripherals for the Mac connect to the computer with Bluetooth. But what if you no longer need a particular Bluetooth device connected to the Mac and you want to remove it? In this video, I will show you how to do it, how to unpair or remove a device that connect to your Bluetooth. So first, you can open your system preferences and you can go to Bluetooth by click on Bluetooth option. And you'll find here's all the devices that connect with your Mac Bluetooth. If you want to unpair, you can just click on the X icon on there and you'll find, are you sure you want to remove? You can just click on remove, so the device will be removed from your MacBook. You can also remove more than one. I will try to remove this one too. Click on remove. So now I have only one device that connect with my Bluetooth on MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to remove Bluetooth device that connected with MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.